Are you looking for the best shower enclosures? Shower enclosures come in various styles and sizes. They can fit any bathroom design. From modern glass panels to classic framed doors, there are options for everyone. The right shower enclosure can make your bathroom feel more spacious and luxurious. List number 1, Vita XL Shower Enclosure ESG 31.5x55.1 Black. Transform your bathroom with the Vita XL Shower Enclosure. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch. Made with single-layer safety glass, ensuring durability and safety. The aluminum frame provides a sturdy structure. Installation and assembly are straightforward, making it a convenient choice. Enhance your shower space effortlessly with this stylish enclosure. Advantages: modern design enhances bathroom aesthetics beautifully. Aluminum frame ensures long-lasting durability. Safety glass provides essential protection. Easy installation saves valuable time. Compact size fits smaller spaces. List number 2, EL Musty 8032 by 32 Durastall Shower, White. Step into the EL Musty 80 Durastall shower and enjoy a refreshing experience. Designed with sleek white surfaces, it adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Its compact size, measuring 33.5 by 74.0 by 4.7 inches, fits easily in small spaces. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use and reliability. Perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their shower area with style and functionality. Installation is straightforward, making it a convenient choice for homeowners. Advantages: compact design saves space in small bathrooms. Perfect for tight areas. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use. Built to withstand daily wear. Easy to install with basic tools. No professional help needed. Smooth, white finish complements any bathroom style. Modern and clean. Low maintenance surface resists stains and scratches. Stays looking new. List number 3, Folding Shower Enclosure ESG. Transform your bathroom with the stylish Folding Shower Enclosure ESG 31.5x55.1 in black by Vita XL. Its sleek design adds a modern touch, making your space feel more open and inviting. Easy to install and maintain, this enclosure provides a practical solution for any bathroom. Crafted with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and long-lasting use. Perfect for those who value both functionality and aesthetics. Enjoy a refreshing shower experience in style. Advantages: compact design saves space. The folding shower enclosure fits small bathrooms perfectly. It maximizes available space effectively. Stylish black finish. Its sleek black color adds a modern touch. Enhances bathroom aesthetics effortlessly. Durable and sturdy. Made with ESG glass, it ensures lasting strength. Offers peace of mind. Easy to clean. Simple design makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. Keeps maintenance minimal. Versatile installation. Flexible installation suits various bathroom layouts. Adapts to your needs. List number 4, Sam-Out Vehicle Side Shower Room with Roof. Experience ultimate privacy with the Sam-Out Vehicle Side Shower Room. Ideal for camping, this portable shower tent measures 3.3 feet by 3.3 feet, easy to set up. It attaches securely to your car. Enjoy the convenience of a personal restroom anywhere you go. The roof provides extra protection, ensuring a comfortable shower experience. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a practical solution. Advantages: enjoy privacy anywhere with the compact 3.3 foot x 3.3 foot design. Perfect for campers needing a personal space. Easy to set up and take down. Saves valuable time during trips. Portable design fits seamlessly alongside your vehicle. Ideal for road trips. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use. A reliable camping companion. Offers a versatile space for showering or restroom needs. Enhances outdoor comfort. List number 5, Kohler 9026-0 Purist 48x36 Alcove Cast Iron Shower Base. Transform your bathroom with the Kohler 9026-0 Purist Shower Base. Its sleek design and white cast iron ensure durability. Perfect for tile-in or drop-in installation, it fits seamlessly in any alcove. The center drain provides efficient water flow, enhancing your shower experience. Enhance your space with this elegant and functional shower base. Advantages: durable construction ensures long-lasting use and reliability. Cast iron is tough. The elegant design complements modern bathroom aesthetics beautifully. Sleek and stylish. Easy installation for both tile-in or drop-in setups. Versatile options. The center drain enhances efficient water flow. Keeps the shower dry. Smooth, white finish simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Stays spotless.